Under the display is an Exynos W920 processor and 1.5 gigabyte of RAM. Samsung watches run Wear OS very well, even during the initial setup, which is where smartwatches can be bogged down with installing apps. The watch felt snappy. I haven't run into any lag or bugginess. Overall, this is an attractive watch that can easily fit right in with your personal style. It has a very durable display, buttons that feels good, and solid performance. A smartwatch with bad battery life is almost worse than a phone with bad battery life since they are more annoying to charge. The Galaxy Watch 5 has a slightly bigger battery than last year's Watch 4. Whether or not that makes a difference to you depends on your usage. People who use their watch for sleep tracking may notice more improvements than others. As someone who charges every night, I have never run into the lower battery warning. Basically, the Pro version is bigger, beefer version of the standard Watch 5. You can get better battery life, a larger footprint, and essentially all the same features as the standard Watch 5. All of that comes at a price $450 to be exact. It's time to answer the big question. Is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 worth buying? As always, that depends on where you are coming from and the phone you use. However, I will say that Watch 5 is better choice than the Watch 5 Pro for most people. The Galaxy Watch 5 is easily the closest competitor to the Apple Watch. Samsung has done an impressive job at revealing Apple's great fitness features. It's not quite on the same level, but it's very close. If you want the Apple Watch equivalent on Android, the Watch 5 is your play. If you already have the Galaxy Watch 4, I don't think the Watch 5 is a significant upgrade. You won't notice a ton of improvements compared to the Watch 4. However, Tizen-based Samsung Watch owners will notice a big difference. Google Apps and a much better app ecosystem can't be overstated. Plus, you are not giving up the Samsung features, The Galaxy Watch 5 may not be as flashy as last year's Watch 4, Samsung's long-awaited return to Wear OS. However, this is a super solid, polished, and refined smartwatch. It perfectly blends the line between fitness, companion, and high-class watch.